These are the elevators at the Market House condominiums in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are Schindler 400A elevators with vandal-resistant HT fixtures. Get on level S. Basic Schindler 400As with HT vandal-resistant fixtures. Here at level S. Go up to 5. This is in the same area as the Giant Eagle Market District with the Schindler 330As. That was a long distance. Here at 5. That's a rather dark hallway. Go back down the lobby. EPCO. There's your certificate. That's an outdated certificate. I like the tile floors, mini tiles. Basic stainless steel cab. High ceilings. Indicator it's a bit delayed. I don't know when these were installed, but I'll find out on the way out of the elevator. Here back at the lobby. There's an outside.